Next set of questions based on the equations of motion. A body starts with an initial velocity of 10 meter per second and accelerates with 5 meter per second square. Find the distance covered in 5 seconds. So what all values have been given? Madhushri, can you tell me what are the values given in this question? Madhushri, can you tell me? Unmute your mic. Madhushri, faster. Yatin, are you able to hear my voice?
Ma'am, I
Yes,
got the final velocity.
Yes, ma'am.
Yatin, are you there? Yes, what are the values given? Yes, Anurag, tell.
Ma'am, U equals 10 meter per second.
No, okay. U is equal to 10 meter per second.
Acceleration equals 5 meter per second square.
Acceleration is equal to 5 meter per second square.
And time is 5 seconds.
Time is 5 seconds.
Ma'am, so the first formula.
What we have to use to find out?
Ma'am, final velocity.
No. Find the distance covered only.
Ma'am, but I found the velocity, then I used the second one.
Yeah, directly second you can use. No need V value.
Okay, ma'am. So it's ut plus 1 by 2 at square.
Yes.
That is 10 into 5 plus 1 by 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. That is 50 plus 1 by 2 into 125.
62.5. So it is 112.5 meters. So it is S is equal to 112.5 meters. Tanya, next values.
ma'am. U is 0 meter per second.
U is equal to 0 meter per second. Okay.
A is 2 meter per second square.
A is equal to 2 meter per second square.
And T is 5 seconds.
T is equal to 5 seconds. And what we have to calculate? Velocity acquired and distance covered.
Distance.
Now here we have to calculate the V. V for formula. For V, which formula we have to use?
Ma'am, the first one.
Equals to
U plus AT. U is 0 into 2 into 5. That is 10 meter per second. And then distance covered, second equation of motion. S is equal to ut plus half AT square. U is 0 into 5 plus half into 2 into 5 into 5. 2 get cancelled. 0 into 5 is 0 plus 25. That is 25 meter. Done. Next question. A bullet initially moving with a velocity of 20 meter per second strikes a target, suppose it is a tree, wall, anywhere, and comes to rest. So that means finally it stopped after penetrating a distance of 10 centimeter in the target. So distance covered is 10 centimeter. Find the retardation caused by the target. So here it is moving with the initial velocity of 20 meter per second. So u will become 20 meter per second. It comes to rest. That means it has stopped. So final velocity will be 0 meter per second. Distance covered is equal to 10 centimeter. So convert into meters is 0.1 meter. Because centimeter is a smaller unit, it is not an SI unit. We have to convert into SI unit. Find the retardation. That means A we have to calculate. So we have the formula V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. V is 0 is equal to 20 square plus 2 into A into S is 0.1. So 20 square will go here as 400 plus 2 into 0.1 is 0.2A. 400 will transfer on other side as minus 400 is equal to 0.2A. So minus 400 by 0.2. Multiply with 10 is equal to A. So this will become 4000 minus divided by 2. So that is acceleration will be equal to minus 2000 meter per second square. Acceleration is minus, and if it is retardation means 2000 meter per second square. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed this question? Have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Now Tejas, we tell next question, what are the things given and what is asked?
Ma'am, U is equal to 0.
U is equal to 0. Okay.
Next. S is equal to 270 meter.
Okay.
Time is equal to 3 seconds.
Right. What we have to calculate?
Ma'am, we have to calculate a velocity.
Velocity. But velocity at 10 seconds they have asked. Velocity you have to calculate for 10 seconds. So first we have to calculate A value. Acceleration, by using these three values, we have to calculate acceleration first. And that acceleration remain constant. And finally, we have to calculate the velocity at the end of 10 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, 3 seconds is given for acceleration part. So what is the acceleration? So we have to calculate acceleration by using second equation of motion. S is equal to ut plus
UT plus half AT square.
0 into 3 plus S is already given 270 plus half into A into T square, that is 3 square is 9. 0 plus 9 by 2A is equal to 270. So 9 by 2A is equal to 270. 2 goes as multiplication. 270 into 2 divided by 9 is equal to A. So 9 3s are 30. So 60 meter per second square is the acceleration. And now we have to calculate the acceleration, so velocity of the body after 10 seconds. So for that, first equation of motion, V is equal to U plus AT. U is 0, A remains same, 60, and the time is 10 seconds. So 60 into 10 is 600 plus 0 is 600 meter per second is the value of V.
Ma'am,
Yes.
but for finding the acceleration, we can also use the third equation also.
Yeah, you can use third equation also.
Yeah, okay.
Either first or third equation.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Ankita, next can you tell the given values? Ankita,
Ma'am, could I tell?
where you were when I was asking in the first part?
Ma'am, I didn't know.
You didn't know, that means you're not in the class? You're not in the class?
No, ma'am, I was there. I didn't know.
Then
So I didn't answer.
beginning only I have asked you. But immediately you have to tell no, at least microphone you have to mute and tell that you're not knowing.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, tell.
Initial velocity equals to 0. Final velocity equals to 72 kilometer per hour. That's 72 into 5 by 18. That's 20. Then time equals to 10 seconds. And acceleration equals to.
So for acceleration, what we have to use for acceleration? Which formula we have to use for acceleration?
V equals to u plus 80.
Okay. V is 20.
20.
0 plus A into time is 10. Acceleration 2 meter per second square. Average velocity
V square minus u square equals to 2as.
no, average velocity we have to calculate.
Okay.
Aditya, which formula we have to use?
Displacement by time.
Displacement we cannot calculate.
Ma'am, can I say?
1 second.
Distance
Aditya?
by time.
No. Here one formula I told you while we are solving equations of motion. This question is done 2-3 times till now. Yes, Tejasvi?
U plus V by 2.
U plus V by 2. U is 0, V is 20 by 2. That is 20 by 2 is equal to 10 meter per second. And the third is distance covered. How to calculate distance covered with the formula? S is equal to Aditya, do you know? Yes, Rupika?
Ma'am, is it S is equal to UT plus half into AT
Ma'am.
square?
Yes, right.
I got the answer.
0 into 10 plus half into A we got as 2 and this is 10 into 10. So this 2 get cancelled. 0 into 10 is 0 plus 10 into 10 100. So this is equal to 100 meters. Next try by yourself. Then I will solve. Aditya, what's the answer?
Ma'am, is the answer 20 meter per second?
Ma'am, is it 20 meters?
Is the answer 20 meters?
Ma'am, is the answer 20 meters?
Yes. So here U is equal to 0 because it starts from rest. Acceleration is equal to 10 meter per second square. How much distance it will cover, that is S, and the time is equal to 2 seconds. So S is equal to UT plus half AT square. 0 into 2 plus half into 10 into 2 into 2. So 2 get cancelled. 0 plus 20, that is equal to 20 meters. Next question, start solving.
Ma'am, in the seventh is the distance 7 meters. I mean 4 meters. Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, is the answer 4 meters in the 7th question?
ma'am, is it 4 meter in the 7th question?
Got the answer?
Yes, ma'am. 4 meter.
4 meters.
4 meters, right? Then try continue the next questions. Here also the same exactly, values only changed. Everything is same. U value is given 0 meter per second because it is starting from rest. Then acceleration is equal to 8 meter per second square, and the time given is 1 second. So that means S is equal to ut plus half at square, 0 into 1 plus half into 8 into 1 into 1. So 2 4s are 0 plus 4, that is equal to 4 meters.
Ma'am,
Yes?
and is 8 equal 40 meter per second?
Let me check. I'm also solving. Rest in 20 seconds. Tanya, what's the answer you got?
40 meters
Yes, right.
per second.
Ma'am, I'm not able to solve the 8th question.
What happened? What are the things given? It is brought to rest. That means V is 0. It brought to rest after 20 seconds. That means it was moving with some other value and come back to 0. So that means V value is 0. Time is equal to 20 seconds. You have to calculate initial velocity. And then this one is given retardation. A is equal to minus 2 meter per second square because it is retardation. So it is minus 2. So use the formula V is equal to U plus AT. V is 0. You have to calculate minus 2 into 20. So U minus 40 is equal to 0. So 40 is equal to U. The next question.
Ma'am, does A equals 1 meter by second square?
A value, it is 20 minus 10, 10. No, it's not 1. Wait. 5 and 10. It's right.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is the distance 37.5 meter?
57.5. Let me check. Yes, right.
Ma'am, even I got 37.5 meters.
Now, should we do it using the formula V is equal to U plus AT?
Yes, you can do. First 1 year's acceleration you can do with that method. So your values are given. This is U value. U is equal to 18 kilometer per hour. That is 18 into 5 by 18. This get cancelled. That is 5 meter per second. V is equal to 36 kilometer per hour. That is 36 into 5 by 18. 18 to the 36, 10 meter per second. And then acceleration you have to calculate. Time is given 5 seconds. We have to calculate acceleration. So for acceleration, A is equal to either V minus U by T or V is equal to U plus AT. Any formula you can use. So 10 minus 5 by 5, which is 5 by 5, 1 meter per second square is the acceleration value. And then distance covered. S is equal to, you can use the S is equal to UT plus AT square, or you can use V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. V is 10 square, that is equal to 5 square plus 2 into 1 into S. 100 minus 25 is equal to 2S. 75 is equal to 2S. So 75 by 2, that is equal to S is equal to 75 by 2, that is 37.5 meters.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
it is 10 square is equal to 5 square plus 2 into 1 into 5.
SS, distance you have to calculate. S is the S, distance covered. We don't know, we have to calculate it.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
Yes.
10 and 10 seconds.
Yes, right. What they have given, body starts to slide over a horizontal surface with an initial velocity is equal to 0.5 meter per second. Due to friction, velocity decreases at the it is a rate of change in velocity, that is acceleration, is equal to 0.05 minus 0.05 meter per second square. Minus because it is a retardation, speed has decreased. How much time it will take for the body to stop? time you have to calculate, and it has stopped. That means final velocity is 0. So v is equal to u plus at. U is 0.5 plus minus 0.05 into t. So 0.5 minus 0.05 into t. So this minus will go here as 0.05. T is equal to 0.5. So t is equal to 0.5 divided by 0.05. Multiply with 100, multiply with 100. So this is 50 by 5, which is 10 seconds.
Ma'am,
Yes.
for the next question, the speed is 60 meter per second.
Let me check starting from rest. What you got the value?
Ma'am, for speed I got 60 meter per second, and for distance I got
No,
9 kilometer.
no. Wrong. Sorry. Let me check. Yes, 60 meter per second. No, it's wrong.
Ma'am, is V 150 meter per second?
No.
Manual,
One.
is 60 per second.
How you will get 60?
Ma'am,
Yes.
to find the speed, I took the first equation of
Yeah,
motion.
first equation only you have to use. 5 minutes is there. Convert that
Ma'am,
into seconds.
it will be 300 seconds.
300, 5, 6, 300, right? Yeah, then it is 60, right? I was taken A value wrong. And 150 meter is right answer. 150, no, 60. 60 meter per second is V value. And S is equal to 9,000 meters, that is 9 kilometer. U is given 0. A is given 0.2 meter per second square. Time is given 5 minutes. That is equal to 5 into 60. That is 300 seconds. So you have to calculate distance covered. Oh, sorry, speed is equal, V is equal to U plus AT. U is 0. A is 0.2. Can be written as 2 by 10 into 300. This get cancelled. This is 60 meter per second is a V value. And distance traveled, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. U is 0, so U into T is 0 plus half into 2 by 10 into 300 into 300. So this 2 get cancelled, 1 0 get cancelled. 30 into 300 is 9,000 meters. So that is equal to 9 kilometer. Next question. A bus was moving with a speed of 54 km per hour. On applying brakes, it stopped in 8 seconds. Calculate the acceleration and distance traveled before stopping. So initial velocity A is equal to 54 km per hour. That is equal to 54 into 5 by 18. 18 threes. So it is 15 meter per second. It has stopped. Sorry, this is not E, it is U. Then time taken is 8 seconds and it has stopped. So that means V is 0. So you have to calculate acceleration. A is equal to V minus U by T. 0 minus 15 by T is 8. So it is minus 15 by 8. That is equal to minus 1.78, 64, 67. 1.87 meter per second square. And then distance covered. S is equal to ut plus half at square. U is 15 into 8 plus 1 by 2 into minus 15 by 8. Don't take this decimal answer because it is approximated answer. So whose value is that? That is minus 15 by 8. So we have considered A as minus 15 by 8 only. And then into time is 8 into 8. So this 8 get cancelled. 2 4s are 8. Then this is 120. This is minus sign. So middle is minus. 15 into 4. 4 is 60. So 120 minus 60 is 60 meters is the value of S. A motorcycle moving with a speed of 5 meter per second is subjected to an acceleration of 0.2 meter per second square. Calculate the speed of motorcycle after 10 seconds and distance covered. Solve this and tell the answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
and its speed 7 meter per second.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, is V 7 meter per second?
Yes, V is 7 meter per second.
Ma'am,
Here,
and distance covered is 15 meters.
50, no,
Ma'am, 500 meters?
no,
Ma'am, is it 60 meters?
no. Tanya, one simple mistake you have done. Check. When everything cancel, doesn't mean answer is 0.
It's 60 meters.
No. Yes.
51 meters.
Yes, right, Daphne. U is equal to 5 meter per second. Acceleration is equal to 0.2 meter per second square. You have to calculate V. Time is given 10 seconds and S also we have to calculate.
Ma'am,
So
is that
V,
2 meter?
no. U is 5 plus 0.2 into 10. So 5 plus 2, that is
Ma'am, is
7
it
meter.
61 meter?
No. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. U is 5 into 10 plus 1 by 2 into 0.2. Ten into 10. Yeah, okay, 60 meters, right answer. 50 plus here 1 by 2 into 2 by 10 into 10 into 10. 2 get cancelled, 10 get cancelled. 50 plus 10 is equal to 60 meters. 80 square. 60 meters is the answer, right? So, last question.
And which should be the question number 14?
14. The brakes applied to a car producing an acceleration of 6 meter per second square in the opposite direction. That means this is retardation minus 6 meter per second square. If the car takes 2 seconds to stop, t is equal to 2 seconds and it has stopped, then means v is 0. Calculate the distance covered. S you have to calculate. So for calculating S, you need u value. So V, first equation of a motion, use it. S is equal to U plus AT. V is 0. U you have to calculate. Minus 6 into 2. So U minus 12 is equal to 0. So U is equal to 12 meter per second. And now use any second or third equation of motion to get the value of S. I will use the third equation. V square is equal to u square plus 2as v square, u square, v square is 0, u is 12 square, 2 in minus 2 into 6 because value of 6 is minus into s. So 12 square is 144 minus 12s. So 12s is equal to 144. S is equal to 144 by 12. That is equal to 12 meters.
Ma'am, should we do question number 15 now?
Yes, that is the last question of worksheet. We will complete and leave.
Ma'am, is the answer 3 kilometer? I mean, acceleration equals 1 by 15 meter per second,
1 second. I will do it.
and distance equals 3 kilometers.
1 second. What is the acceleration you got?
1 by 15 meter per second square,
Yes, right.
and distance is 3 kilometers.
Yes, ma'am, I also got the same.
Yes, ma'am. Even I got the same.
Yeah, 3 kilometers, right. 11 बजे से class है. Class 11 बजे है.
Hello.
Yeah, 3 kilometer is the distance covered.
Ma'am, what is the acceleration?
1 by 15, 1/5.
11 बजे से है ना? 11 बजे से है ना? अच्छा, संडे 11 बजे से। ठीक है।
Ma'am, what's the distance traveled?
Yes. Acceleration is 1 by 15 and distance covered is 3 kilometers. U is equal to 0. V is equal to 72 kilometer per hour. That is equal to 72 into 5 by 18. That is 20 meter per second. And time is equal to 5 minutes. That means it is 5 into 60, which is 300 seconds. So A is equal to V
Ma'am,
minus U
distance
by
traveled
T.
is 3 kilometer.
Yes, right. 20 minus 0 by 300. So 20 by 300, that is equal to 1 by 15 meter per second square. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. U is 0. So half into 1 by 15 into T square is 300 into 300. 2 15s are 30, 30 10s are. So 3000 meters is S. So that is equal to 3 kilometer. Okay. Fine.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, you can leave now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, ma'am.
ma'am.